Why do the outside walls of refrigerators feel warm? Well, the warming of the side walls in Samsung refrigerators is completely normal. It is a phenomenon that enhances the refrigerator's efficiency and performance. What causes the heating of the side walls? Hot pipes in the side walls. Hot pipes are embedded in the side walls to improve refrigerator's performance, ensuring optimal functionality. Inadequate wall clearance. A lack of adequate clearance between the back of the refrigerator and the wall may influence the side wall temperature. Why is this essential? Prevention of gas leakage. Integrating condenser coils into the side walls minimizes the risk of gas leakage, making the design safe and reliable. Space saving. By placing condenser coils in the side walls, the back of the refrigerator is fully enclosed, allowing installation in tighter spaces. Prevents moisture. The warmth on the side walls helps reduce moisture in the unit. Hope this video was helpful.